In this video, I am going to show you how to add a custom domain to your Teespring store. First, go and click the link below this video in the description box, or you can use sitpublishing.com/teespring to go to this page. On this page, you'll find a step-by-step instruction on how to add a custom domain to your Teespring store. First, choose your domain and register it. Click check availability button to check the availability of the domain name that you would like to add to your Teespring store. Let me search for the domain name and click search. Once you have found your domain, go ahead and click checkout, or you can add to cart. Let's click checkout. On this page, you can choose the number of years that you want to register the domain. If you're planning to keep it for a long time, then go ahead and choose those many years. For this tutorial, I'm going to keep it as 1 year, and make sure this is enabled. This is going to protect your privacy information. Basically, no one will be able to search up and find who is behind this particular website. You can keep it anonymous, and this is free forever. That's why I recommend Namecheap. Then go ahead and click confirm order. In the next page, go ahead and create an account with Namecheap. If you already have an account, then log into your account. I have an account with Namecheap, so I am just going to log into the Namecheap account. After you have logged into your account, go ahead and complete the purchase. After you have completed the payment, you will be taken to your Namecheap dashboard. Here you will find all information related to your domain. Now that we have completed the purchase, we have completed step 1. Let's go back to the website and go to step number 2, which is to add the newly purchased domain to your Teespring store. Click add custom domain. It will directly take you to the stores page. Here make sure you are on the right store and click add custom domain. Here you click I already own my domain. Since we have just purchased a domain, click I already own my domain, and now here you go and type the domain name that you purchased and click continue. It will take a moment to establish a connection between your store and the domain that you have purchased. So this is the setup guide. Go back to your Namecheap account and go to the domain list, find the list of domains that you have. Now from the list of domains, select your domain that you want to connect and click manage. In the next page, go to advanced DNS. This is where we are going to enter the details provided by Teespring. Here select everything and choose remove, because we don't need those DNS records. All we need to do is add these records to that area. So let's go ahead and start entering each record one by one. The first record is CNAME. Let's click add new record. Choose CNAME from here, CNAME record, and the host would be www. Let's copy it and paste here. The host value is this. Let's copy and paste here and click the save changes button. Let's add another record, which is the A record. Let's go back, click add new record, select A record. The host, it would be @ copy that, paste here and go back and copy the value and paste here and click save. So now you have added these two records successfully. All you need to do now is go back to your store and click verify connection. As you can see, it is completed. Domain successfully connected. Let's go to our website and refresh the page just to make sure it is working fine. Alright, so now the website is connected to the Teespring store. This is a sample store which I just created for the demo purpose. Let's go ahead and click on this listing which I have created. As you can see, it is connected to the store and the listing is showing up correctly. We can go to the next image and do whatever we want. So that's how you connect your custom domain to your Teespring store.